Good evening, all. Today's topic P block elements, 15th group, Unit 5. In previous class, we discussed about the reactions of 15th group elements with metals, preparation, manufacture, and properties of nitrogen, preparation, manufacture, and properties of ammonia. In the present class, let us discuss oxides of nitrogen, oxoacids of nitrogen, preparation, manufacture, and properties of nitric acid. Oxides of nitrogen. Name of the oxide, oxidation state, formula, common method of preparation, physical state and chemical nature, structure. The first one is nitrous oxide. Its formula is N2O. Oxidation state of central nitrogen atom is +1, and nitrous oxide is prepared by heating ammonium nitrate. It is colorless and neutral gas and structure. Nitric oxide formula NO, oxidation state of nitrogen is +2. When sodium nitrite is heated with ferrous sulfate and sulfuric acid, we get nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a colorless and neutral gas. Dinitrogen trioxide formula is N2O3 and oxidation state of nitrogen is +3. When nitric oxide is treated with dinitrogen tetroxide at 250 Kelvin, we get dinitrogen trioxide. It is blue solid and acidic in nature. The remaining oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen dioxide, formula NO2, oxidation state +4. When lead nitrate is heated strongly, we get reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide, reddish brown gas, and of course it is acidic gas. Acidic gases are those which when dissolved in water, they give respective acids. Dinitrogen tetroxide, next one. Its oxidation state, the oxidation state of nitrogen and dinitrogen tetroxide is +4. When the nitrogen dioxide is cooled and compressed, we get dinitrogen tetroxide. And we know that the color of the nitrogen dioxide is reddish brown, and of course, when nitrogen dioxide is converting into dinitrogen tetroxide, it becomes colorless. And this gas is acidic in nature. The last oxide of nitrogen, dinitrogen pentoxide, N2O5. Its oxidation state. The oxidation state of nitrogen in dinitrogen pentoxide is +5. When nitric acid is treated with phosphorus pentoxide, dinitrogen pentoxide is obtained. It is colorless solid and acidic in nature. Oxoacids of nitrogen. Acids having only hydrogen and non-metal are called hydracids. Examples of hydracids: hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide, hydrogen cyanide, etc. Acids having oxygen atom apart from hydrogen and non-metal atoms are called oxoacids. Oxoacids of nitrogen are hyponitrous acid, nitrous acid, pernitrous acid, nitric acid, pernitric acid. Hydracids. Now let us discuss about nitrous acid HNO2. When barium nitrite is treated with sulfuric acid, we get nitrous acid. Nitrous acid structure is here. It is monobasic acid. Monobasic acid are those which have one replaceable H plus ion. Oxidation state of nitrogen in nitrous acid is +3. Pernitrous acid HNO3. If nitrous acid reacts with hydrogen peroxide, we get pernitrous acid. Hydrogen peroxide reacts with nitric acid, hydrogen peroxide and nitrous acid. Water is removed here, therefore we get pernitrous acid. In pernitrous acid, peroxide bond is available. Oxidation state of nitrogen in pernitrous acid is +5. Now let us discuss about nitric acid. Nitric acid formula is HNO3. Here you can observe that pernitrous acid formula is HNO3. Nitric acid formula is also HNO3. When sodium nitrate is treated with sulfuric acid and of course heated to high temperature, then we get nitric acid. Oxidation state of nitrogen in nitric acid is +5. Oxidation state of nitrogen in both the acids, that is pernitrous acid and nitric acid, is +5. But the structures are different. Pernitrous acid has a peroxide bond, whereas nitric acid has a planar structure and it does not have a peroxide bond in its molecule. Now let us discuss about pernitric acid HNO4. Pernitric acid is obtained by the reaction of hydrogen peroxide with dinitrogen pentoxide N2O5. So the reaction here OH of hydrogen peroxide and NO3 of dinitrogen pentoxide, and of course we get pernitric acid HNO4, and apart from this we get even nitric acid also. Oxidation state of nitrogen in pernitric acid HNO4 is +7. Out of all these acids, only nitrous acid and nitric acid are stable acids. And remaining acids, whatever we discussed now, hyponitrous acid, pernitrous acid, and pernitric acid are most unstable. Moreover, nitrous acid HNO2 is a weak acid, whereas nitric acid HNO3 is a strong acid. Here, structures of different acids are given. Pernitrous acid, nitrous acid, structure is here. Nitric acid structure is shown here. Resonance structures of nitric acid, these are the resonance structures. The oxygen, different oxygen atoms have charges and of course it varies. Pernitric acid is shown here. Nitrogen atom has a positive charge and oxygen atom has a negative charge. Resonance structures of pernitrous acid are here. This is the one resonance structure and this is another resonance structure. Now let us discuss about the manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald's process. A mixture of ammonia and oxygen is heated to 1100 Kelvin and is passed through a catalytic chamber. The catalytic chamber has platinum gauze as catalyst. Ammonia and oxygen, that is air, is passed through catalytic chamber and we get nitric oxide. Initially, the catalyst is heated to proceed the reaction. As the enough heat is produced, which maintains the required temperature and external heating is stopped. Nitric oxide is cooled and oxidized to nitrogen dioxide in the next step. NO plus O2 gives NO2, that is nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide gas is passed through absorption tower where water is sprinkled from the top. Nitrogen dioxide is absorbed in water, thus nitric acid is obtained. The nitric oxide Nitrogen dioxide is absorbed in water, and of course we get nitric acid and nitric oxide. In another reaction, NO2 is absorbed in the presence of oxygen, we get nitric acid. The schematic diagram for Ostwald's process for manufacture of nitric acid is shown here, and this is the catalytic chamber where platinum gauze is used as a catalyst. A mixture of ammonia and air in the ratio of 1:10 is passed into the converter, and of course the gases are passed through cooler and then enters here. This is oxidation tower. In this oxidation tower, nitric oxide is oxidized to nitrogen dioxide. Then the so formed nitrogen dioxide along with the mixture of other gases is sent to the absorption tower where water is sprinkled from the top. And nitric acid so formed is 60% nitric acid, and waste gases come out through the top, and these gases are recirculated. These waste gases may have unreacted nitric oxide and air also. These gases are recirculated through the plant. Properties of nitric acid. Physical properties. Pure nitric acid is colorless. Very often, nitric acid in the chemistry laboratory is observed in a pale yellow color due to the dissolved nitrogen dioxide. Nitric acid has a corrosive action and causes painful blisters if it falls on skin. 68% of nitric acid has 68% of acid and remaining is water. The 68% nitric acid is a constant boiling mixture. What is constant boiling mixture? A mixture of liquids which boil at the same temperature as if they behave like a single substance, and such a mixture is known as constant boiling mixture. Constant boiling mixtures are also called as azeotropic mixtures. Azeotropic mixtures are of two types: minimum boiling azeotropes and maximum boiling azeotropes. 68% of nitric acid is maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. It boils at 393 Kelvin. Boiling point of water is 373, whereas a pure nitric acid boiling point is 393, and the mixture boils at 393.3 degrees Kelvin. And here this mixture boils at highest boiling point of one of the components. That is, the boiling point of the mixture is higher than the highest boiling point. Such a boiling mixture is known as maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Chemical properties of nitric acid. Nitric acid is a strong acid and it completely ionizes in water. Thus, when nitric acid is in water, in the presence of water, it gives H plus ion or a hydronium ion. Since nitric acid is acidic in nature, it turns blue litmus red, reacts with bases to form salts and water. So nitric acid, when it reacts with caustic alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, we get sodium nitrate salt. When it reacts with slaked lime, then we get calcium nitrate as salt. Nitric acid gives carbon dioxide when it reacts with metal carbonates. Potassium carbonate reacts with nitric acid and we get potassium nitrate, and of course carbon dioxide releases. Reactions of nitric acid with metals. When nitric acid reacts with metals, different products are formed depending on the concentration of the acid and reactivity of the metal. When dilute nitric acid reacts with active metals like magnesium, then hydrogen gas releases. So magnesium plus nitric acid gives magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas. When zinc reacts with cold and dilute nitric acid, we get ammonium nitrate apart from the zinc nitrate. When hot and dilute nitric acid reacts with the zinc, we get nitrous oxide apart from zinc nitrate as salt. Less active metals like copper reacts with nitric acid in different ways. Copper reacts with dilute nitric acid to form copper nitrate and nitric oxide apart from water. So this is a dilute nitric acid. When copper reacts with concentrated nitric acid, we get a nitrogen dioxide apart from the salt, copper nitrate, and of course from water. Metals such as iron, aluminium, chromium, nickel, etc. do not react with nitric acid since a positive passive oxide layer forms on these metals, and this oxide layer protect the metals from the further reaction. Oxidizing nature of nitric acid. Nitric acid acts as a strong oxidizing agent. It reacts with nonmetals and form respective acids. So it oxidizes nonmetals and form respective acids. When nitric acid reacts with concentrated nitric acid reacts with iodine, we get hydroiodic acid. When nitric acid reacts with sulfur, we get sulfuric acid. When nitric acid reacts with phosphorus, we get phosphoric acid and nitrogen dioxide. In all these reactions, we get nitrogen dioxide and water, phosphoric acid. When nitric acid combines with carbon, we get a carbonic acid. Uses of nitric acid. The major use of nitric acid is in the manufacture of ammonium nitrate for fertilizers and other nitrates for use in explosives and pyrotechnics. Nitric acid is also used in the preparation of nitroglycerin, trinitrotoluene, which are explosives, and other organic nitro compounds. Other major uses are in the pickling of stainless steel, etching of metals, and an oxidizer in rocket fuel. In the next class, let us discuss about group 16 elements. Thank you.